Hello everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today I will show you how to make delicious homemade tacos from scratch. This recipe is simple, flavorful, and perfect for lunch or dinner. Here are the ingredients we need: taco shell, minced beef, dropped onion, fresh tomatoes, lettuce, grated cheese, garlic, cooking oil and seasoning. Make sure everything is fresh and prepared before we begin cooking. Start by finely chopping the onions and garlic. These three ingredients will add rich flavor to the taco meat. Keep your cut small so the flavors blend well while cooking. Heat a little oil in a pan and add the minced beef. Stir continuously as it cooks. Add the chopping onions, garlic, and your seasoning. Cook until the meat becomes brown and fragrant. While the meat cooks, prepare the topping. Slice the tomatoes and lettuce into small pieces. Fresh topping gives taco their crispy texture and fresh taste. Now it is time to assemble the tacos. Place the cooked beef into the taco shell. Then add lettuce, tomatoes, and grated cheese. You can add more topping depending on your taste. And there you have it, delicious homemade taco, ready to enjoy. This recipe is simple and perfect for sharing with family and friends. Try it at home and let me know how it turns out. Now, comment, like, and share. Thank you.